Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the single crochet increase. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made regular single crochet stitches. On the row that I'm currently working, I have made one chain. I am going to be working one regular single crochet in between my increases. So for the first stitch, I'm going to work just one regular single crochet. Then I'm ready to work my increase in this next stitch right here, the second one. And simply what you're going to do is work two single crochet into the same stitch. And that is going to be considered a single crochet increase. So essentially you're making more stitches into one stitch, and it's going to make your project bigger. So again, I'm going to work one regular single right here. Then I'm going to work an increase right here in this next stitch, which is two single crochet into the same stitch. One regular single right here. Then I'm going to do an increase in my next one, which is two single crochet in the next stitch. And I'm going to continue this for the rest of my row. Now you can see the difference between the regular single crochets in their stitches and then the increases. And if you look at my swatch, you can see how the sides were even up until this row and how they're getting bigger. So as you add more, it's going to get wider and make your project bigger. And that's why it is an increase. And that is how to make the single crochet increase. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.